In this session, we are going to understand about the OpenAI framework. OpenAI consists of many different products, and the most famous one is obviously the ChatGPT. In addition to ChatGPT, Whisper and DALL-E are also interesting products, and they are gaining a lot of popularity. You can call these as platforms also. Okay. Platform is also a kind of product. Okay. So with that understanding, let's understand a bit more about OpenAI. OpenAI is basically an artificial intelligence company. More than a company, we can say it is a research lab. It consists of two entities. One is a for-profit entity and the other is a non-profit entity. Okay. And this company conducts research, pioneering research in the field of artificial intelligence. They want to develop and promote AI in a way, in a manner that benefits the whole of mankind. Okay, that is their stated objective. It was founded in the United States in 2015 by Elon Musk and others. Okay, though Musk has since resigned from the board, but he continues to be a donor of this company. The other interesting fact that I want to share is Microsoft has invested, close to about $1 billion in this entity. Okay. Many people ask this question whether ChatGPT has heralded the end of Google. The answer to this question possibly lie in Microsoft's interest in ChatGPT and OpenAI framework. Okay. So as I mentioned, OpenAI consists of these three entities. And let's understand about these entities a bit more in detail. ChatGPT, as you may already be knowing, is a conversational chatbot. Okay, it is essentially a chatbot. You ask a question and it throws up answers. Okay, it is based on GPT, that is generative pre-trained transformer. What is this GPT? We will see very shortly. Okay, and this was launched as a prototype very recently, only on November 30, 2022, and it has since gained uh, many users, more than 1 million users, and the number is slowly and steadily increasing. Okay, and what is it used for? It is used for a variety of things, from writing essays and assignments, even creating programs, debugging programs. Debugging is the process of correcting mistakes in a computer program. It can even provide insights to composing music, and many uses are possible in ChatGPT. Okay. The next one is Whisper AI. Whisper AI is about transcription and translation services. It uses natural language to transcribe audio files and to translate content that is there in audio files to the language of choice. Whisper supports many languages. It is not just about English. It supports Asian languages. It supports Indian languages. Of course, European languages are there. So it supports a variety of languages, right? That is very interesting. DAL-E is about image generation. What is image generation? Let's say you give a phrase, okay? A picture is worth 1,000 words. The AI systems in DALL-E will generate images that correspond to the saying, a picture is worth 1,000 words. In fact, we are going to see this specific example when we discuss about DALL-E in detail.